Open up big and wide.
Open your mouth.
Ready? Ready? Here it goes. Oh, it's only hanging by a little tiny string. Open up big and wide. Big and wide. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, missed it. 1, 2, 3. I missed it again. Maybe we need to have Buddy or Daddy do it. Papa? Grandma? Other grandma? Otto. Hold up.
Pull it up, Sam.
I can't get a grasp on it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How easy was that? High five! Yay! Look at your tipper!
Not even bleeding.
Oh, everybody got to see. All the closest people to you got to see it. Get out!
I missed it.
Pretty! Uncle Larry, look! Is that too big?
Whoa, there's not even any blood on it.
All right. How about we go get a glass of water?
You might want to
All right.
gargle.
Let's go get a glass of water.
Yeah, you have to gurgle, bro.